Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa, and in today's video, I am going to share with you my first ever luxury purchase here in Japan. This is from the store Bottega Veneta. If you want to know my full thoughts, opinions, and my experience when it comes to buying luxury item here in Japan, then keep on watching. So today is our third day here in Japan, and we decided to go to Harajuku area. And surprisingly, there's so many luxury brand stores there. And akala ko nung una sa Ginza sila mahahanap, pero meron din pala sa Harajuku. And since this is my first time here in Japan, pumunta na tayo dyan sa Harajuku. And yun nga, matagal na akong naghahanap ng luxury brand or items, pero hindi ko alam na meron pala dito sa Harajuku area. So what I'm looking for is the brand called Bottega Veneta. And here it is. This is what we got. Ayan, napakalaking bag guys, na kulay green. So tara, let's unbox together what I have here. So this is actually called the small Jodie. Etong bag na to guys, sikat na sikat yung itsura niya. Ito siya, yon, binalot nila sa isang paper, and then meron bags na canvas bag sa loob. Yon. So I was expecting na nakalagay siya sa box, pero hindi naman pala. Wala siyang box na kasama, which is normal lang ata sa Bottega Veneta. And then, yeah, this is my first time buying a bag or an item over there. Good experience naman so far. Sa packaging wise, it's really nice. So let's unbox it na. So, very good quality yung kanilang canvas tote, guys. Makapal and super soft. Ayan. Ang laki, ano? Hindi naman super laki ng bag na binili natin. This is actually called small Jodie. Yung actual size niya, hindi naman talaga small, parang medium. Pero yun lang talaga yung tawag ni Bottega Veneta dito sa bag na to, small Jodie. Meron din silang medium, I think, and then meron din silang mini, yung maliit na version. And meron ding teen Jodie. Isa ding maliit na version din siya. So, ang dami niyang sizes. I got the black. Yan. Yan siya. O, diba? So, Bottega Veneta signature texture and style. Yung parang naka-weave. Yan, parang bayong. What I really like about this, kasi yung concept niya of this bag is kakaiba. The size as well is really nice. I was actually debating on getting the teen Jodie or small Jodie. Yung teen Jodie, maliit siya, pero alangan siya sa shoulder ko. Baka hindi ko siya masuot sa shoulder. Meanwhile, ito naman, malaki yung kanyang opening dito, and I can wear it sa shoulder without, diba, falling sa shoulder. Very comfortable siya, and napaka-lambot ng leather. And based on the reviews din dito sa YouTube, maganda yung pagkagawa or yung quality ng Bottega Veneta. Talagang yung craftsmanship niya, talagang pulido, very meticulous, and yung cost niya na-justify sa craftsmanship din ni Bottega Veneta. So, yeah, I think that's the reason why I fell in love with this bag. Yan. So, they have other colors. Actually, there's a lot of colors available for this one, but since sabi nung sales lady sa akin, limited daw yung size na ganito. And iilan lang talaga. It's either last piece na lang siya sa store. Mahirap din hanapin yung ganitong size and yung ganitong color. And I chose black kasi, of course, it's a classic color. Classic lang tayo and simple. So this is what it looks like inside. Ano din, ang ganda din ng inside niya kasi talagang full leather. And it's kind of protecting also the weave texture dito sa outside niya. Guys, makapal yung leather niya, but at the same time, malambot. Parang bendable, ganyan. and mabango. And then over here, on the inside, may nakalagay na Bottega Veneta made in Italy. There's one pocket inside where you can put your phone or whatever. And then, good space sa loob kasi yung pinili natin is medyo okay na size. Very, very good size for a handbag. You will also going to get this card. This goes inside the bag, which I don't know what this is. So, I guess buksan natin kung ano siya. So, meron siyang maliit na, I guess, booklet. Yun, booklet lang pala siya. Yan. You will also going to get 2 envelopes as well. So this one, this green envelope, ayan, nakalagay Bottega Veneta dito. Ayan. Nandito ang resibo nyo. Yan. Next is this one. This is very, very, very important. Every time you purchase any item sa Bottega Veneta, especially bags, you'll get this envelope. Meron kayong makikitang ganito. This is made of leather. It's like a mini pocket or wallet, ganyan. And ang nakalagay dito is itong gold plate. This is very, very important. Lifetime warranty na siya. So, kung may masira dyan or whatsoever, I can bring this to any Bottega Veneta branch worldwide, and they're just gonna do their best to fix any issues na kailangan i-fix pag may problem ako sa bag na yan. So, ito, very, very, very important, guys, na kailangan i-keep natin lagi. Sa likod niyan, merong QR code. Ayan, tinatakpan ko lang nung finger ko, but there's a QR code there where all the information, my information, and my bag's information is nandyan sa QR code na yan. This is like a golden ticket. If anything happens to that bag, kailangan i-present natin to sa store ng Bottega Veneta. So again, guys, this is it. This is the bag. And I'm also gonna show you some clips of this bag, of every angle of this bag para makita nyo yung talagang detailed look niya. Yan. And when it comes to the store, dito sa Harajuku Bottega Veneta store, kaka-open lang niya 3 years ago. So, medyo bago talaga yung store nila and malaki. There are 3 floors in total doon. So, meron silang women, merong pang men, and they sell shoes, bags, of course, and clothes for men and women. And I was able to vlog and video inside. Hindi naman sila ganun ka-strict. They speak English, guys. Okay yung English nila, yung mga Japanese salesperson doon. Very friendly, very accommodating. They even offered juice, orange juice, and bottled water sa amin and sa relatives namin and also the kids. So we really enjoyed the whole experience nung nandun kami sa store. Talagang inasikaso kami. I really like na they're explaining to you lahat ng details na kailangan mo malaman about dun sa item na gusto mo, which is yung bag na yan. They even have a bathroom inside. So yeah, overall experience, I highly recommend you visit that store kung interesado kayo mag-purchase ng any items sa Bottega Veneta. For your information, if you guys are interested to buy this exact bag, makikita nyo yan sa website ng Bottega Veneta. Yan, so check out nyo na lang yan, and I will put the link down below. If you guys are interested, just check it out. Guys, I hope nagustuhan nyo itong mga ganitong videos natin, and Syempre, hit that like button kung nag-enjoy kayo at kung meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nagsasubscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!